Well, this is a sample presentation of the uh, PE Mechanical Engineering, Thermal Fluid Sciences, NCS exam prep course, which is in on-demand video format, available through SEMtrain. Okay. I just want to mention that this prep course covers all the topics mentioned in the NCES. Just a minute. Let's see. I think I went too far ahead. So, if you look at the NCES exam specifications, so the exam specifications, they specify all the topics that is usually covered in the exam. Okay. So this course, one of the main aims of this course is to cover all the topics that are mentioned in the exam specifications, and as well prepare you for passing the exam. If you ask me what is the goal of this course, my answer is very simple: to help you pass the exam. That's all. So it is very focused towards the NCES PE exam, mechanical engineering, thermal fluid sciences. Okay. So now here is a typical lecture. This is lecture 3, by the way. And here is the topics covered. I'll come back to the topics covered in just a minute, but I just want to mention that the course has a total of 9 lectures similar to this, what I have mentioned here. And each topic is mentioned. The topics are self-explanatory. I don't need to talk about the topics much, except I want to draw your attention to this in red over here. Okay, so let me see if I can change the color of my pen, ink here. So you see these things that are mentioned in red, the pages, they refer to the pages in the NCES RHB. RHB means reference handbook. And what is this reference handbook? This is the only thing that you are allowed to refer in the exam. You have no other references. And it's online, it's on the computer screen. So these page numbers refer to where you can find these topics in the online version of the NCES reference handbook. And there is you got to go to NCES website, and they have a little introduction on how to use the reference handbook. I strongly recommend you do that. Okay. And it'll tell you how to use the search function and so on for different topics. But to help you move along faster and quicker to the point, I have listed the exact page numbers where you find these topics covered. Now, when I say topics covered, they don't cover the entire topic in great detail as I do in the lectures. They just give you a bunch of formulas. Okay. So, for example, if you get a problem that involves the use of mechanical energy equation, this particular topic here, you got to go at once. You have 2 options. You can do the search function and get there, or you can look at this quick reference here, page 492, 494. Keep that in mind. Once you do this enough number of times, in practicing solutions of different number of problems, it'll become second nature to you how to navigate through navigating through the NCES reference handbook is the most important thing. And to help you in that endeavor, I have listed the page numbers. Okay. So here is the listing of all the topics, self-explanatory, and the items in red are the page numbers. Okay. Okay. So I hope this has aroused your interest and curiosity in the course. If you go through this course, I think you will pass the exam. So I encourage you to take the course, spread the word to your friends.